Alright. Walked this path a few times before. TransCanada fucking bike path. Well, part of it at least. A little bit of a detour here and there. As you can see, lots of freaking trees, the grass, lots of sky. Just gorgeous. This whole place. The whole place is awesome. If I'm lucky, I can find some deer. Seen one here already. Even though there's a highway right there. Look at all those. It's awesome. That over there is the survey I live in. Probably facing west. So that would be south. That would be east. And that's north. This path here will take me over to the Landmark Hotel Plaza where they're building a new Walmart. Yay. Not too thrilled about that. There's also a grocery store, Tim Hortons. Just like any other city. Little areas like this. Some nice birch trees. Birch trees everywhere here. White birch trees, silver birch trees. These are silver birch. It's a little bit windy. I don't know if you can tell. Look at these guys dancing. Dancing away. Doing the wind dance. Pretty soon going to be doing the rain dance by the look of it over there. I don't know if you can really see, but over there it's freaking dark. Probably going to get rained on. Oh well, there's lots of trees. I can find shelter somewhere. So, while I've been up here, I've seen lots of cool places, lots of really nice, secluded water holes to swim in, lots of rapids, lots of streams and rivers and lakes like you wouldn't believe, everywhere. I've had a good time so far. Down to 3 now though. Started out we had 6 guys. Then we were down to 2. And then 3. And then 4. And then now back down to 3. There, except for the rain days, lots of those. Preferred if there's less rain days. But this is Thunder Bay. Not much thunder for Thunder Bay. Locals say that it's just not that stormy anymore. Not that much thunder rolls through here anymore. Which is strange, but not really, I guess, considering pole shift. Now, I like this part of the path. It's pretty neat. And if I'm correct, there's going to be a hole in the fence up here shortly. Little bush partying spot. right now, I think I'm going to spark up this doobie. Hold on a second here. Sorry if I blocked the view. There it is. There we go, there's the hole in the fence. Just, I don't know, I think it's a spot where people hang out and party. And obviously drinking. Drinking and more drinking. Little fire pit. Lots of drinking goes on here. Lots of empty bags. And right over here. Right over here we have the Trans-Canada Highway, which obviously runs all the way across Canada. Pretty neat. That's the way home right there. If I felt like walking 800 kilometers, that's the way to BC. Lots of deer on this road at nighttime. Oh, actually there, you can't see it, I don't think. There's a blue sign right there. It's the Terry Fox Courage Highway. Just down the road there. They got a monument and everything. It looks pretty cool. I haven't been there yet though. A couple trees in the face. That's normal. Wouldn't be bushwhacking if you didn't get hit in the face by trees. Go back out the way I came, through the hole in the fence. Continue my journey. Pathway is pretty dead. Usually there's people biking and running, jogging, walking their kids or dogs along here. Not today. People scared of a little bit of wind and rain, I think. These clouds are going by really fast. I don't know if you can see, but that one right there, she's cooking. Yeah, you can see that. I can see that. Sailing on by. Which means that rain that was coming should be here soon. Yeah, clouds are getting a little closer. Nice big open areas like this. Super nice. Just birch tree after birch tree. Something I'm not accustomed to seeing back home. We have birch tree, but here and there. Up here they grow like grass. This right here is a spot that I kind of expect to see deer in. It's kind of open. A place for them to lay down or something, but I haven't seen them. Pansies. I don't know for sure. This kind of looks like deer keep running into it or something. I'm not quite sure. I could see a deer trying to jump that and hitting the top and not getting quite over. Taking the whole fence down. A couple tries. Can't see the deer enjoying this fence very much at all, actually. Pretty neat. The city's got like a nature trail basically that runs all the way through it. You go from one end of the city to the other. I'm in the east side of the city. I can take this